Starting on Whatnot with 0 followers sounds a lot harder than it actually is. When I first started, I didn't have an audience waiting for me, I didn't have a huge seller account, and I definitely didn't have the thousands of followers that I do now. What I did have was inventory, and I already owned cards that I could sell or other things you might could be selling, and the really biggest thing I was missing wasn't followers, it was structure. Once I figured that out, I wanted to organize my cards, how I wanted to run my auctions, how I wanted to, number everything, how I wanted to package orders afterwards. Everything became so much easier. As you can see here, you really don't need some massive setup either. This is like a small little $30 office table that you can buy from Walmart. Very small. You just need a phone, some decent lighting, and of course, then a clear area to sell from, kind of like I have been. And enough organization that you're not scrambling every time something sells, obviously. I was never focused on look at like one giant sell or wasn't focused on trying to look like one giant seller in that mind. I was actually focused on making the show easier to follow and getting orders right and giving, of course, the buyers a good experience. As you can see here, here's some of my shows and some of the orders that I had on those total shows. You might only have a few people sometimes in your show, and that's okay. You don't need 100 people watching you to make sales. You only need a few people that are interested in what you're selling, and you need to give them a reason to come back. That's would be good prices, good conversation, clean shipping, bonus cards, or even just being consistent with just your shipping and overall, shipping patterns as far as packaging and everything like that goes. One thing I wish more people understood is that your first stream does not need to be perfect. Your first stream is where you need to learn. You need to figure out what people bid on. You need to figure out what doesn't move, the kind of auctions, how fast you are running those auctions, and figure out your shipping process, and every show after that gets a little bit easier. Now that I'm sitting at around 1,000 followers, but I did not start there, right? I started with exactly like everyone else, 0 followers, 0 sales, and no idea what I was even doing or how my shows were going to go, especially my first one. The biggest difference wasn't just starting, it was that I had a system in place and everything became much more manageable, as you can see here with my numbered top loaders, my little label printer, link down description below if you guys want that, the thermal label printer, as you can see here, the envelopes that I use when I do not bend. And of course, I had been putting off selling on Whatnot, so don't be putting off selling on Whatnot. You don't need a following first if that's what you really think that you need. You really don't. Start with the cards and collectibles that you do have, get your set up mainly organized, keep the show simple, learn the first few streams, and then let the audience come afterwards. At the end of the day, followers do not, at the end of the day, followers aren't what make you ready to sell. Structure does. Everything comes down to structure. If you want a full step-by-step guide, click on the video in the top right corner. It's going to pop up there. Now, and that being said, also, like I said, here, as you can see here, it took a lot of getting used to my overall persona too. It took time. So honestly, this is going to sound funny to a lot of people, but honestly, sometimes even practicing in front of a mirror, talking to yourself, or even talking to yourself when you're driving, even singing to yourself, those kind of things that we all kind of do out of habit really kind of help out, give that persona of someone who runs a show. Because again, you're not having to show your face on Whatnot if you don't want to, as I usually don't. So it gets a lot more easier just to be able to talk to that and talk to the camera and everything. Also, if you want to use my referral link, you can go on my videos, click down in the description below, and you can go ahead and go over to that where I have put start selling on Whatnot today. Feel free to use that. It does give me, of course, $100 for a referral link, and then you can start using that referral link for your buddies or friends or family or anything like that. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching as always, and don't be afraid if you don't have followers to start selling on Whatnot. Go ahead and start selling today. Promise you it will be so much easier and smoother once you do, and then of course you'll be that much more ready. Thanks for watching.